Little bit. Little bit. Okay, this point. Okay, please hover. Then hover down left 90 degrees. Yes. Don't care about the airplane because we are waiting. We are, hovering right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this way is okay. Or tailwind little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, sit down, please.
Sit down.
Yeah, have to feeling. Yeah, do not look down. Yeah, perfect, good. Yep, good, continue. Continue.
Slowly.
Yeah, slowly. Almost. Yes.
A605.
Okay, this case, governor off.
Governor off.
Then continue down. You have to keep, green arc and down.
And down.
Then mirror check. Good.
Good.
Okay, governor on. Oh.
Yeah, governor on.
Okay, shut down, please.
Shut down. 75.
Yes.
This is Skynet traffic inside. We'll maintain visual separation. Thank you.
Okay, and friction on.
Yep. Yeah, perfect. So don't forget, don't rush,
don't
looking,
rush.
turning, don't look.
Yeah, look.
Fast station.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm so sweaty.
Tomorrow, George, okay?
Yeah, George. Let me see, George. Oh.
Yeah, green.
75.
Yep.
I really.
Yeah, just key point, eyesight here.
Yeah.
And pick up, left down. And before over, left down.
And wise vision makes me a lot of changing.
Yeah. Then approaching, more slow down.
Yeah,
right?
more slow down. Yeah.
Then you can very easy to control.
Yeah, easy to control. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, the normal approach, this is a walking speed.
Yeah,
The
walking
steep
speed.
approach, very slowly walking speed, right?
Yeah.
Good one. Stop the city side.
Stay into it. This way, right pedal into it. This
okay.
way, left pedal into it.
Okay. Because wind is
Yeah, that's
like
why
that,
that's-
and the swing to the left.
Just like that.
So light pedal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then if you fly the solo flight, then helicopter swinging,